Yes, move your hands front and back. Okay, now hands on your waist. Inhale, lift your right heel up, move your body left. Right knee down, come back, switch. Try to switch maximum. Try to follow the flow. Keep the breath normal. This is very nice, better than squat. Many people like to exercise fitness. If you practice yoga first and then you want to do fitness, you will get injury or you will get back pain or some wrist pain or somewhere. So whenever we do yoga, only yoga. Whenever we do fitness, okay, you can do fitness only after little warm up. But warm up is very important. You see, we almost doing every muscles workout. This is we call body workout, body weight. We not lift any machine. We lift only our body. Okay, rest. Take a deep inhale, exhale. Okay, back to your basic. Go back to the behind of the mat. Go back the behind the mat. Inhale, raise our hands up. Exhale, bend forward, walk front. Walk front. Plank. Guru Namasakar. Bhujanga. Okay, stretch maximum. You can look your heel, right heel and the left heel. First time, because we just stretch our back and then tuck the toes back to the plank and then walk back. Only 10 times. Today we will practice only 10 times. Inhale, exhale. So you will follow your flow, your rhythm, and I will follow my flow, my rhythm. So just try your do best. Stretch, look up, mountain pose, and then walk back. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands down. Walk front. Knee, chest, chin down. Guru Namaskar. Walk back. You will count 10 times. Keep breath normal all the time. You see, proper body workout, full body workout with your body weight. This is just warm up techniques, not anything else. We do warm up. When I'm so small, I do this all techniques for just for warm up. But we focus the asana. We forget the warm up. But now we will remember every warm up because we're practicing every day. Inhale, exhale. Walk back. Okay. If you've done 10 times, then take a rest. If you're not done 10 times, just keep continue.